What if you could only borrow just what you need for your business exactly when you need it? So that's the advantage of a business line of credit. And so we'll talk about business line of credit in this video. So unlike a traditional loan, the business line of credit, it's revolving. So it's kind of like a credit card where you can borrow, you then repay that, you borrow again, you repay it, etc. So like a credit card. But usually this has better terms and lower interest rates, which is key. So this one is for existing businesses. You got to have at least 3 years in business for most of our lending partners. You've got to have at least a 650 plus or higher FICO score, and you've got to have at least 180,000 or more in annual revenue in your business. Again, the flexibility is a key advantage here. Instead of taking like some lump sum that you might not fully need and then having to make those monthly payments like a traditional business term loan, or dealing with high interest rates like a credit card, this one allows you to have lower interest rates and only kind of draw from it as you need. Think of it like your rich uncle that just gives you money when you need it, and you pay back that rich uncle whenever you borrow money, and you pay back over time. So for example, let's say you have a digital marketing agency. You've got some kind of net 30, 60, 90, whatever. But basically, you got to wait on client payments, but you've got payroll that's due. Cash hasn't cleared. You haven't gotten those payments yet. You could use a line of credit to cover your payroll. And then as soon as you get that client invoice paid, now you repay that. You're back to your full available line of credit. If it ever happens again in the future, or you need to, more money for marketing or whatever, you can go ahead and draw from that line of credit. So again, it helps you just keep your operations rolling without overborrowing, without putting yourself in a bad financial situation. You're just borrowing what you need when you need it, and then you pay it back what you're able to. So if you're wondering, do I qualify? Yeah, maybe I got 3 years experience in my business, but maybe I don't have 180,000 or whatever. The easiest way to see if you qualify is clicking the link below in the description. It's going to take you to a short survey. It takes like 2 or 3 minutes to do. About 9 or 10 questions. It's going to ask you basic information about your business, revenue, things like that. From there, as soon as you submit that survey, it's going to open a calendar link and allow you to schedule a free call, I want to stress, with our funding specialist team. What they're going to do on that call, there's no cost to you whatsoever, but basically based on the information you've provided, they're going to walk you through any potential funding options available for your business and potential amounts that you might qualify for based on what you've told us. Then from there, you can decide, yeah, I want to move forward on something, or no, it's not the right time or whatever, which is totally fine. We don't do sleazy sales tactics or that sort of stuff. So something to just take a look at. So click the link below, take the quick survey, schedule a free call, no cost to you whatsoever, to explore what your potential funding options are. And then from there, if you do decide to move forward on any funding option that's available to you, that funding specialist is going to walk you through exactly what paperwork and everything that you'll need, and they'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So answer any questions you have, etc. So click the link below in the description, fill out the quick survey, book the totally free call. Again, there's no cost to you whatsoever to just check out your potential options, and then from there, you can make an educated decision for your business.